In this video, you are going to see how to write half or the fraction in Microsoft Word document like this. Let's dive in. To write the half, go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation. Here, an additional tab will be appeared. Go to Fraction and choose the fraction of your choice. Let us select this one. And in the upper box, write here 1, and in the lower box, write here 2. You can go to the home, you can make it bold, and you can increase the size like this. In the other hand, if you add another fraction, go to Insert. If you want to add another fraction, go to Insert, go to Equation, go to Insert New Equation, go to Fraction, and let me choose this one. And over here, write here 1 and write here 2, and this is also beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.